So I was working with a client who wants to downsize from the home they're in, right? A bigger home to a smaller home. But they were like, Dave, I don't even know where to get started to go over my mortgage options. And in this video, I'm gonna break down everything you need to think about when it comes to mortgages and downsizing. But first, all right, so the client was downsizing, right? Hey Dave, we have a bigger home. We want to get a smaller home near the grandkids, right? And we need to figure out how to downsize. So here are some options to take into account when it comes to your mortgage. First, you could obviously make it contingent on the sale of your home. Let's say your current home is paid off, and then you could sell your home and buy the new home cash. That's an option, but many times it's difficult to get your offer accepted being contingent on the sale of your home. So one option is to do our bridge loan, where we could do a short-term loan to access the equity in the current home. And if it's enough money, you could buy the new home cash. That's an option. It's quick, it's easy. You don't even really have to be approved underwriting wise, like income and credit. It's very easy, and it's our own program. You could also do a combination, right? Where you could take some of the equity in there, depending on how much, and use that as the down payment on the new home, and then get a regular mortgage on the new home for the difference. And then you just keep that mortgage, maybe a 30-year or a 15-year. And keep in mind that there's many mortgage options when it comes to somebody in this situation downsizing. Many of the banks are gonna say, well, you don't make enough income maybe because of your social security or investment. But there are things called asset-based programs where we can take a percentage of the asset and use that as sort of an income calculation to get you approved on a new home. So you may only be receiving social security, but have $2 million in a 401k. We're gonna take that $2 million, do a calculation, and then get you approved for the new home and then go that route. So keep in mind that there are many options to think about when you're downsizing, and you got a lot of choices, right? It's not just, oh my God, I have to sell to buy. No, you've got some options, right? And there's probably even more options than what I'm going over in this video. So if you're thinking about downsizing, definitely reach out to me. Let's come up with a custom plan for you to figure out how you can do it and put you in the best situation possible. And if you're interested in me mapping out the exact game plan you need for downsizing, just comment downsizing below and I'll reach out to you. And if you found this information helpful, I'd love to be your lender, and stick around for this next video. I think you're gonna like it.